How to easily uninstall Roblox on your laptop or PC. So to start, we'll have to go on the bottom part of our screen and then tap on the search option. After that, we'll have to type here settings and then in here tap on this open option. After that, we'll have to go over on the left part of our screen and then tap on the apps option. In here, you will now see this installed apps option. What we need to do is to tap on this one, and then after that, it will show us all the apps that we have installed on our laptop or PC. What we need to do is to scroll down and then look for the Roblox application. If you can't find it here, what you can do is go on the search bar and then type here Roblox. And then once you see the Roblox application, what we need to do is to tap on these three dots and then tap on the uninstall option. After that, to completely delete or uninstall the app, what we can do is to tap on this uninstall option. So that's how easy you can uninstall Roblox on your laptop or PC. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!